I just got this screen extender and it is a life changer. Let me show you all the ways that I use it. So this screen extender is suitable for 13 to 17.3 inch laptops that require the laptop to have a full featured Type-C port, which I do. So when you first get your screen extender, you're going to notice it's very well packaged. It does come with 3 different types of cords depending on your needs. The styrofoam and the Velcro is also a nice addition. Here are the 3 different ports, and then has a little kickstand for the back to add extra support. And then there is a little bit of padding on the inside and comes with a guide and a user manual. And then this is kind of how it works. You pull this to fit and it creates a tension onto your screen. And then it does have 2 little top supports that hook right over the top as well as on the right side. So I like using it with my son in different learning activities. I just mirror the screen. This is how it automatically is set when you first plug it in. It's also great for meeting with other people and showing the screen so you're not all crowded around just one screen. In order to change it from mirror to extended, I just type in display and then I go ahead and click extend, and then it extends on over and it's super easy and fast. And then this is what I use for, making different calendar references so I can look at the calendar while completing a task on my main screen. So handy. That way I'm not flipping back and forth. I also use it when I'm trying to make a list of any sort, particularly grocery lists, or if you're going on any sort of trip, it's really great for that as well. Now, one other way that you can use this is by turning it into portrait mode. So I just move it over to the left side of my screen. I feel like it's a little bit easier so it's not in the way of my mouse. And then you go ahead and type in display again in your settings, and then there's going to show 2 screens. You're going to want to click on the gray number 2 like I'm doing here, and it will know that you're trying to change something about that second screen. You're going to scroll down and then for all the way down, and it will show an ability to change it to portrait mode, but you're going to do the flipped portrait, and then there it is. And it's so great if you are, again, making a list, or maybe you're reading a book, or you have a really long list of data. It's just really great in those terms. Now here is where the screen extender is plugged in, and the second cord that you see is just my laptop power cord. And if I go to the back of the screen extender, you can see the 3 different ports that I showed you earlier, and I am plugged into the USB-C for both of them. That's the cord that I'm using, but you can see there are other options. And then here is the little kickstand. I don't really use it because I find that the angle that it sits on my computer is very nice, and it's very lightweight, so it doesn't feel like it's pulling on my computer. So I feel I don't really need to use the kickstand, but it is there if needed, which is really great. If you're looking to increase your productivity in your work, this is an amazing choice.